Northern Italy boasts a rich culinary heritage shaped by its diverse landscapes, from the extensive mountain range of the Alps to the fertile plains of the Po Valley. The cuisine emphasizes hearty, flavorful dishes that highlight local ingredients like dairy, rice, and game. Here's a look at the most popular meals from this region. Risotto alla Milanese. A hallmark of Lombardy, this creamy risotto is infused with saffron, giving it a golden hue and a distinctive flavor. Made with arborio or carnaroli rice, it's often paired with ossobuco, which are braised veal shanks for an iconic Milanese duo. Polenta. A staple across northern Italy, polenta is a versatile dish made from cornmeal. It's served creamy or firm and sliced, often accompanying stews, game, or cheese. Variants like polenta tiragna in Lombardy incorporate buckwheat flour for a nuttier taste. Pizzoccheri. From Valtellina in Lombardy, pizzoccheri is a comforting pasta dish made with buckwheat noodles, potatoes, cabbage, and a generous helping of local cheeses like Valtellina casera, topped with garlic and sage-infused butter. Bagna cauda. A traditional dish from Piedmont, bagna cauda is a warm dip made from anchovies, garlic, and olive oil. It's served with raw or cooked vegetables like peppers, cardoons, and fennel, symbolizing festive gatherings. Ravioli del Plin. Originating in Piedmont, ravioli del Plin are small pasta parcels filled with meat or vegetables. Plin refers to the pinch used to seal them. They're traditionally served in broth or with a butter and sage sauce. Tortellini in brodo. Hailing from Emilia-Romagna, these delicate meat-filled pasta rings are cooked and served in a savory broth. This comforting dish is a holiday favorite and reflects the region's love for fresh pasta. Speck and canaderli. From Trentino Alto Adige, this dish features canaderli or bread dumplings, flavored with speck, a type of smoked ham, and herbs. Often served in broth or with melted butter, it showcases Alpine culinary traditions. Bistecca alla Fiorentina. While associated with Tuscany, its thick, high-quality cuts of Chianina beef are prized across the north. Grilled over an open flame, the steak is a symbol of Italian simplicity and excellence. These dishes capture northern Italy's unique flavors, blending rustic traditions with sophisticated techniques, offering a feast of culinary delights for every palate. We hope you enjoyed this culinary journey through northern Italy. Buon appetito!